Afternoon, sir. As I said yesterday, I'd make a short little video to explain how to make the purchase of payments. Okay, so I will be sending you this link at the top here to your Facebook Messenger. But the part you need to focus on is on the special concessions, the right hand side, okay? We've got private class and we've got group class. So we want to leave on private class, okay? So all you need to press is add to cart. Okay, and this will now direct you to the PayPal checkout. Now, for example, you've at the moment got one class, but maybe you would like to book another 3 classes, so that'd be 4 classes in total. So you'd select the amount of classes you want to pay for now, and you've got 2 options here. You've got PayPal checkout if you have a PayPal account, or just regular checkout if you've got a direct debit or credit card. So we'll go to checkout and it will then take you to another PayPal page. So we'll just wait for this to load now. So as we can see here, it's at 81% at the moment. Okay, so here we go. So pay with debit or credit card. All you need to do is fill in the various correct information. For example, change this to make sure it's on Mexico, and then you can select your type of bank card that you want to pay with. Okay, so it's just updating now. Yeah, at the moment I'm in a Italian coffee, so I'm using the internet here whilst making this short video. Okay, so just wait for this to load. Okay, so let's go back here. So just go to checkout. And I'll take you to the direct debit credit card page. I apologise for it's taking so long. Here we go. Yeah, so just change the various put in the correct information, change the country, card type, card number, billing address, so on, so on. Just follow the prompts. Now, when you change it to Mexico, some of the prompts will change, okay? So just follow the on-screen instructions through the PayPal, and then that way you will then purchase the class. Now, after that, once you've purchased the classes, it will then redirect you to the Google Calendar. So, say for example, you've got tonight's class and you want to book another 3, you can then select the other 3 classes. As you see, tonight's class is already booked. So then you can select the other 3 classes that you wish to have, or how many classes you decide to have. Okay, so if you've got any questions about this further, please send me a message on the Facebook Messenger. And so I will just now edit this video and send it to you.